Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Virgin Money credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.my.virginmoney.com.au and press enter. Once you end up in this official site, you'll need to enter your user ID and your password associated with your Virgin Money account. If you've not activated your card yet for Virgin Money, then you can do it right here by clicking on Activate Your Card and follow the instructions. In order to log into your credit card, you'll need to type in your user ID in the first text box and on the next field, type in your password correct. Once you are done entering the credential, if you'd like the system to remember your user ID on this device, check this Remember My User ID box. If not, leave it unchecked. And now click on the Sign On button to access your credit card. But if you've forgotten your user ID or your password during logging in, you can get help by clicking on Forgot User ID or Password. Simply follow the on-screen prompts till the end to know your credentials. That is how you'll be able to log into your Virgin Money credit card online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.